everybody. My name is Rob Anderson. I'm an illusionist here in Las Vegas, and I am here with Todd and Lisa all the way from South Carolina just to see me. Flattered. Thank you so much. It's so nice of them.
Absolutely.
So we're going to do a little bit of magic for them. And the theme of the video tonight is romantic couples magic. For our, I should have clarified that you're a couple first, actually. I think. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. That's
35 years.
Congratulations. That's amazing. Oh my goodness, that's amazing. That's almost as long as I've been around. That's really good. Big congratulations on that. So I want to take you back 35 years ago, or maybe a little more, to those first dates you went on with our first trick. All right? Because maybe on those first dates you held hands and got to know each other and realized, hey, let's go out again. That little spark of love on those dates.
Okay.
I want to take you back there. Todd,
Sounds good, yes.
could you hold one hand out just like this? Lisa, could you hold one hand out just like this? We're going to do a little card trick here with the 2 of clubs. I'm going to hand this to Todd here. Lisa, your hand is going to go on top of that in Todd's hand, so you're kind of holding hands there, all right? We're going to use the 10 of hearts for the next part of this trick, and I just want you to let me know, because that heart's so much better for you two in love here. Did you feel that?
Yes.
Did you feel that?
Yes.
Did you feel that?
Wow.
No.
Look what you have, though. Look at your card. You should have the 10 of hearts. Those hearts, so
awesome.
so good.
This is why we came to see.
That's why they came here. I know, they came here for me.
You're amazing.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate that.
Absolutely.
Well, let's do another one in that case.
Okay.
Because maybe I made a prediction. I made a little prediction here on 4 cards. It is a 2-parter right here, so it's just going to involve your compatibility. I'm sure you've learned you're compatible after so long together.
Yes.
You're going to do great at this.
Absolutely.
I've got the queens here, and I don't want you to think this is sleight of hand. So Lisa, could you cup your hand like mine is right here? You're just going to hold these just for a minute, freeze, just don't let them move. Now, I'm committed to the prediction that I made. Todd, you're first. Todd just chose the hearts and the diamonds, red cards. Lisa, you can keep either one. Would you like the heart or the diamond?
The heart.
The hearts, oh, over the diamonds. Love over money.
Yes.
She's a keeper. You know that then. You know that. I predicted 1 card. I thought you would say hearts. I thought you'd agree on that. Our great couple. I took it out of a totally different deck of cards. That's how sure I was of what you would say. And I knew we would need that card. I knew we wouldn't need any other cards, though, for our compatible couple out here. So good together.
That is awesome.
Settle them just that way. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. For yourselves. For yourselves. Let's do a grand finale. Lisa,
Yes.
I would like you, please, to think of any happy memory, a time you felt happy with Todd. Just think about that. I won't try to guess what it is or say it,
Okay.
but I want you to think about this time. Think about what you were doing and where you were at, but really let your mind go back to the time it happened, like to the nearest hour on a clock, like between 1 and 12 o'clock, okay? 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and 1 o'clock. Again, with 12 right there, we're looking at 1 through 12 on our clock. I know you're thinking of one of these times. I have to figure out what it is. Keep your eye on 12. I'm just going to rotate the table, keeping your eye on the 12 o'clock card right here. Thinking about your time right now. I'm going to complete our clock with kind of like an hour hand with this fork I stole from dinner earlier at Bellagio. Don't tell them, they might get angry at me. Thank you, I appreciate that very much. I'm going to lay this on the table at the hour I believe you're thinking of right now, completing the clock at 2. Oh, that was close. That was not it though. No. Watch the fork. Watch the fork.
Wow.
3 o'clock.
That's it.
You thought of 3 o'clock. You had a special memory that happened at 3 o'clock. None of the other cards matter at this point, just the 3 o'clock card. As that concludes the show, I'm going to let you, after I leave here, you can let Todd know what that special memory was. And yeah, that 3 o'clock card's an important card, though. It's a special card now.
Yes, it is.
It's your souvenir for the evening, actually.
Awesome.
So, thank you. Let's check it out, though. Let's see what that is. And oh, that's a good card.
That is a good card.
That's your lucky card there, Todd.
That is.
Why don't you take that? Whenever you're ready, I'll let you show Lisa that card, okay?
Yeah, I sure will. Boy, you did good, baby. You were my favorite. Will you marry me again?
Yes.
He's great, isn't he?
Yes.
Thank you, thank you. Will you marry me again with the card?
and I wanted to let you know that our DIY proposal kits, they contain every romantic thing you need to stage your own proposal. They're now shipping at magicalproposals.com. Go check them out.